Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today it was very obvious that it was a news driven day. That is the reason I did not even make a video at 10:30 because I don't like to trade in a news related day because then the worst part is it was an expiry. So what happened in the market? Market opened pretty gap down as expected. We had marked this open gap as our demand, and we told like if market gave a positive reaction from this particular demand, then we can look for taking long position. Market opened gap down as per what we discussed, but market broke this demand and started going downward. There is no point in entering any trade because we see that there are open supplies left out as part of gap, and the first candle itself was not retested. Market kept on falling. We don't know when the market will reverse, and we don't know where the significant reversal point would be, whether it would be a liquidity sweep or whether it would be like a liquidity hunt, which we told as part of last discussion. If you remember, we said like this is a relative equal lows being formed in the market, and there are high chances that the market can hunt this liquidity. See what has happened in the market today. Market came down, hunted this liquidity, went up, and then again hunted the buyer's liquidity and then started moving up. This is exactly how liquidity will work. This is what I used to say time and time again, that be very careful when liquidity sweep happens. Many buyers, what they will see is like this is a strong support, major support, then this will be a very very strong support. So many people will think like the moment market comes here, market will bounce. So the moment market pierced down here, what they will think is like, okay, market has hit my SL, now I will enter put. So the moment this happens, market has hit their put SL also, they will exit. They will get confused here in this particular place. If I zoom in here, you will get to know that if you had traded in this particular place, even you would have been confused. This you would only make profit if you understand how liquidity concept works. I'll put a card out here to explain you my course, which explains in detail about this liquidity sweeps, liquidity concepts, how to identify liquidity, all that. If you're interested, you can take that course and you can learn trading on your own. Okay, so what next? It is better to avoid not to enter into blind trading than to trade at all. Understand this. There is no necessity to trade every day. This realization will come only when you make losses at the end of the day, not before that. Okay, most of the trading sessions you will think like I shouldn't have traded today, and you will end up in losing state, and in the end of the session you will think like why did I even trade today. Anyways, moving forward, what about the scenario for market tomorrow? We see that there are several open places where the market can hunt from, and also we see that this particular range, if I zoom in, what do we see here from a structure perspective? We see that this low, earlier low, was broken, but the moment market went down here and gave a pullback and came down, it gave a closure above the lower high and started moving up. What does this pattern say to you? Just pause this video once and think what this pattern say to you. This is a standard call confirmation pattern. Okay, so the moment market opens flat tomorrow and the moment it breaks this swing point, that is 25,825 ish range, on small pullback, I am interested to take the market higher. You can think like, why am I interested in a falling market to enter call? Because structure is saying me to enter call. Simple. Okay, what about put? If market opens flat and goes down, let it go down, because I don't have a supply again to sell from. So let it keep falling. I will just watch the market tomorrow also. There is no point in entering a trade blindly. Okay, so this is my ideal scenario for tomorrow. If this happens, well and good. What about gap down? Even gap down I'm avoiding. Flat going down I'm avoiding. Gap up is going to be a little interesting because it all depends on where the market opens. If the market opens gap up somewhere 25,550-ish range, then it will be a best market because it will come back, tap here, and the moment it crosses this kind of a swing point, I'm interested to take the market higher. If the market opens, and the second scenario is if the market opens gap up and continuously starts to go up, then I will look for some kind of a reversal like this, then start to take the market down first. This trade I will look into as a priority, the small retracement boom before taking the market on an upward direction. So these are the possible trades if this and then condition scenarios which we can look for tomorrow. If you wanted to watch this video multiple times, please follow it so that you have a clarity and understanding on what we are planning to trade tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next educational video.